Welcome to the Supercharged Core Shred. First of all, I want to congratulate you for putting in this DVD. It's a bonus section of an extra 10 minutes of core workout. We're literally going to shred your body. Are you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's take it down to the mat. Grab your kettlebell. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's take it back and up. Crunch, good. Now, those legs are going straight in. Bring the knees in. And crunch the top. You're gonna elongate that body. Make sure you're breathing. Out and in, good. How you guys doing? Yep. All right, now you're already warm. We're just gonna take it to a whole different level. Feeling it already? Good. Open up that core and pull in. Good. How you doing back there, Scott?
Okay.
Good. Good for now. That's what I like to hear. Piper? All right. This is your team. I want you to stay with us. We're gonna get you through this 10 minutes. Okay, we're halfway through. Give me one more minute here. Just control the movements. I want to challenge you to stay with the entire workout for the full 10 minutes. The more of these we do, the deeper the burn, the harder it's gonna get. If we didn't think you were ready for it, we wouldn't be giving it to you. Breathe. All right, 30 seconds here. Keep going. You gotta bring the power with us. Keep it up. All right. 15 seconds. Keep your form, focus on your body. 10 seconds. Come on. 2 more, ready? Up. Last one. Great job. All right, now we're gonna go into the next exercise. We're gonna stay on the mat. So bring those heels off the ground, stack the knees over top of the hips, take the kettlebell above your head, and we're gonna twist to you. Here we go. Up and down. Bring it up and twist. Twist. Engage those obliques. Good. Up. Good. Keep it going. All right, now your core is going to be a little tired from that first 2 minutes. So make sure that you really focus on the muscles that you're doing or working on. We got Laura over here. How you doing, Laura? You're feeling the burn? Great. All right, so some key points to note here. She's got that kettlebell. Imagine like having a hat on. It's like the brim of your hat. All right, the reason why we do this is it's pulling the kettlebell a little bit further away from your core, adding a little extra resistance to it. Good, 1 minute into it. Piper, talk to me.
I'm feeling it.
You're feeling it, yeah?
It's a good burn.
It's a good burn, that's right, all right? If you're feeling the exercise, then that means you're going at the intensity that we need you at. All right, let's keep it up. Come on. Bring it up. Up. Twist. Good. Focus. Up. Breathe. It is. We call it the supercharge. Try to bring those shoulders a little higher off the ground now. Good. Tight. 15 seconds. Up. Bring it up. Come on. You're inside the 10 seconds now. Up. Last one. Bring it up. Up. Twist. Great. Good job. All right, back on your feet. Star pose. So, if you need to, maybe you can go with a little bit lighter kettlebell on this one. Go ahead and grab it. Now, hold it up, and we're just gonna go ahead and lean to that right side. Just find the pose and hold. What might help is if you look up at that kettlebell, find a point on the wall, and just hold it. If you lose your balance like that, just go ahead and reset, or maybe you have to drop a little bit lighter. Legs are a little bit fatigued, core's tight, or sore, but that's okay, we want you. How you doing? Good? You're wobbling? Okay, the wobble is a good Good sign. Good. Scott. Good. Now you see Scott, he only has his feet maybe about a foot off the ground. That's okay. That's great form here. Now let's switch it over to the other side, guys. Good job. So when you're ready, go ahead and get into it. Just hold it. I want you to focus. Good job. All right, Piper, you're good?
I'm good.
Good, you can tell, total focus right here. What's helping her balance is she found a spot on the floor. It's helping stabilize her body. Notice her feet. They're pointed in the direction that she's leaning. Great job. Good job, Laura. All right. Let's go, last 20 seconds. Just hold it. I want you to focus. A little bit longer, last 10 seconds. Wobble. That'll help your core, it's burning. And slowly come back down. Great job. All right, now hold on to your kettlebell. We're gonna go into 3 pulses on a squat, and we're gonna work your glutes on this one. Ready? Let's take it down. 3, leg up, good. Now we're gonna alternate legs and back. Heel goes to the back of the room. Good. Pull, squeeze your glute. Good. Just alternating, sit low in it. You're gonna feel it in your legs in this one. And your core, make sure you keep your chest up. Squeeze. Awesome, all right. So remember, we call this a supercharge, all right? It's a bonus section. You've already worked out with us for 20 minutes. Now this is the extra 10. This is gonna take your workout level to a whole nother level, all right? I said, we call it shred for a reason. We're gonna shred that body. How you doing? Good? You look strong, you look strong. All right, keep it going, guys. Good, here we go. You're halfway through. Squeeze. Try to keep that leg nice and long. And sit. Good, it's burning? Good. It should be. Squeeze. Come on, bring the energy, guys. Stay with us. Nice. Come on, last 30 seconds here. Sit in it. Get lower, 15 seconds. Come on, we can do it, guys. We can do it, we can do it. You're almost there. Pull, come on. Last second. Come on, ready, Piper? Up. Last one, up. Awesome job, guys. All right, let's go into the last one. Okay, it's gonna be the windmill. Ready? Last 2 minutes. Here we go. So, palms out to the front, toes towards the direction you're gonna lean, and let's go into it. All the way to the top and reset. Now, what'll help is look up towards that kettlebell. Make sure your wrist is stacked over top of your elbow, over top of your shoulders. All the way down. Now you're gonna feel it right here, all right? So, full stretch. Notice Laura here, she's just using that leg as a guide as she goes down. She's feeling it all on the side of her body right here. Great form, she's focused up on the ceiling. It's helping her with her balance and her stretch. Good job, Scott. Let's go, we got a couple more, ready? Come back up and reset. Nice. All right, last minute. Now let's go ahead and switch over, guys. This is it, last minute of the supercharge core shred. When you're ready, let's go. You are shredding your body. Keep the energy up. Keep up that intensity. Yep, up and reset. Good, nice long lines here. There's so many benefits to this exercise. Lower back, obliques. How's the team doing? 30 seconds to go. You guys doing good? Yeah? Let's finish it off strong. Here, come on. Let's do it together, Laura. Yep, all the way to the end. Stay with us. Good. Breathe. All the way. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. This is it. Give me 2 more. Last one. And we are done. Awesome job. Congratulations. Supercharge core shred. You're gonna feel it all in here. Great. Looking forward to the next workout. Great job. Way to go, team.